Who Jeep lovers? Is your check engine light come on, flashing a P0302 code? Don't panic. This simply means your engine has a misfire in cylinder number 2. Let's break down what could be causing it. The most common culprits are old spark plugs or a bad ignition coil. These are usually the first things to check and are relatively easy to replace. Another possibility is a clogged fuel injector. If cylinder 2 isn't getting the right amount of fuel, it can definitely cause a misfire. In some cases, it could also be a vacuum leak or an issue with the wiring to the coil or injector. Start with the simple stuff. Inspect your spark plug and ignition coil for cylinder 2. If they look worn, swap them out. This often solves the problem right away. The issue persists. You might need to look deeper into the fuel system or wiring. Stay tuned for more DIY tips. Thanks for watching.